In this tutorial, I will teach you how to cancel Mimic subscription, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Mimic, you can use the link in the description and you may get rewards and discount upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So actually, there are two ways to cancel subscription in Mimic app. First is by contacting the Mimic support team. So contact this email. And the second way is to cancel it yourself. So what you're going to do to cancel it yourself is by going to the Play Store or App Store where you download the application. And right here after you go to the Play Store, you can just go to your profile right here on the top right corner. And after you click that, just go to payments and subscription, and right here on the payments and subscription, just click subscription and you will see all of your subscription right here. So you can just click one of them, and it also includes the Mimic if you have one. So you can just click and manage the subscription, and right there you will see a cancel options where you can cancel your subscription. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can cancel your subscription on Mimic. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.